Hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Muhammad Ilham Syokani. My name is C1G02510110128. Today, I wanna read the passage about the impact of climate change on agriculture. Okay. Climate change has emerged as one of the most pressing global challenges of the 21st century, which profound implications for agriculture. As the Earth climate continues to warm due to increasing concentration of greenhouse gas in the atmosphere, the impacts on agriculture are becoming increasingly evident. This impact manifests in various forms, including shift in growing season, changes in precipitation pattern, and increased frequency of extreme weather events, all of, all of which have significant consequences for food production, food security, and rural livelihood. One of the most direct effects of climate change on agriculture is the alteration of growing season. In many regions, warming temperatures have led to an extension of the growing season, allowing for longer periods of crop cultivation. While this might seem beneficial at first glance, it also brings about challenges. Warmer temperatures can accelerate the life cycle of crop, leading to earlier maturation and potentially lower yield. Additionally, the extended growing season can result in increased pest, and disease pressure, and these organisms also thrive in warmer conditions. For instance, the, the, for, the proliferation of certain insects which were previously limited by colder temperatures has expanded into new areas, posing significant threat to crops. Precipitation pattern, another critical factor for agriculture, have also been disrupted by climate change. In some regions, rainfall has become more erratic with longer dry spells followed by intense short-lived rainfall events. This variability in precipitation can lead to both drought and flood, each with devastating effect on agriculture. Drought condition can severely limit water availability for crop, leading to reduced yield or even total crop failure. On the other hand, intense rainfall can cause soil erosion, nutrient leaching, and waterlogging of crop, all of which can negatively impact agricultural productivity. In areas dependent on rain-fed agriculture, this change in precipitation pattern poses a significant threat to food security. Moreover, the increased frequency and intensity of extreme weather events such as hurricane, cyclone, and heat wave further exacerbate the challenges faced by agriculture. This event can cause immediate and severe damage to crop, livestock, and infrastructure, leading to substantial economic losses. For example, heat wave can cause heat stress in crop, reducing their growth and productivity. Similarly, strong storm can topple over trees and chaos, which spread devastation to farming communities. The long-term impact of such events can also be profound, as they can lead to shift in land use pattern, displacement of farming communities, and loss of agricultural biodiversity. The impacts of climate change on agriculture are not uniform across the globe. They vary depending on the region and the type of agriculture practice. In temperate regions, some crops may benefit from warmer temperatures and longer growing season, while in tropical and subtropical regions, the negative impacts are likely to be more pronounced. Smallholder farmers who often rely on traditional farming practice and have limited access to resources are particularly are particularly are particularly vulnerable to the effects of climate change. These farmers are often located in regions that are already prone to climate variability and they have limited capacity to adapt to changing conditions. In response to this challenge, In response to these challenges, adaptation strategies are essential to ensure the sustainability of agriculture in a changing climate. These strategies include the development and adoption of climate resilient crop varieties, improved water management practice, and diversification of agricultural systems. For example, breeding crops that are more tolerant to heat, drought, or salinity can help mitigate the negative impact of climate change on crop yield. Similarly, implementing efficient irrigation system and water conservation practice can help farmers cope with reduced water availability. The diversifying agricultural system by incorporating agroforestry, mixed cropping, and integrated farming practice can also enhance the resilience of farming system to climate change. In addition to adaptation, mitigation efforts are crucial to reducing the long-term impacts of climate change on agriculture. Agriculture itself is a significant contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, particularly through practices such as deforestation, livestock production, and the use of synthetic fertilizer. Transitioning to more sustainable agricultural practices such as agroecology, organic farming, and conservation agriculture can help reduce emissions and sequester carbon in soil. For instance, agroecological practices that promote soil health, such as cover cropping, crop rotation, and reduce tillage, can enhance the carbon sequestration potential of agricultural land while also improving soil fertility and crop resilience. Furthermore, global cooperation and policy support are essential to addressing the impacts of climate change on agricultural. International agreements, such as the Paris Agreement, play a vital role mobilizing research and coordinating efforts to combat climate change. National government also have a crucial role in developing and implementing policies that support climate-smart agriculture, provide financial assistance to farmers, and promote research and innovation in climate adaptation and mitigation. In conclusion, the impact of climate change on agriculture is multifaceted and complex with far-reaching consequences for food security, rural livelihood, and the global economy. The challenges posed by climate change require a concentrated effort from all stakeholders, including farmers, researchers, policymakers, and the international community. By developing and implementing effective adaptation and mitigation strategies, it is possible to enhance the resilience of agricultural systems to climate change and ensure the sustainability of food production in the face of an uncertain future. Oke semuanya, segitu aja. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.